You got a minute? Follow me. As an engine technician, I've joined the LEAP team after more than 10 years working on the CFM 56-7 and the CF6-80. Of course, the LEAP is a new capability, but we had a number of occasions in the past where we've been asked to provide support for the new engines going into service.
Come on, watch.
It's more an opportunity for us to adapt and improve our processes to this new generation of engines. From early stage operations, such as oering services, to the first shop visits, I'm determined to deliver the best operator experience I can.
Keep flying. As you can see, I'm ready to deliver the very best for LEAP.